Check, check. Hey, what's up, people? Hop sauce coming at you. I'm in a mood today, and it's that kind of thing. I don't know if I've ever mentioned this on this channel, but I was an NCAA Division I baseball player, highest college level that there is out there, and I learned a code switch because I'm a guy that likes to have fun and get out there and hang out with the party and whatnot. But I've learned a code switch to get serious when it's time to get serious, and I feel that right now because I think that the cryptocurrency market is starting to hit the bottom. Okay, and I say this because I thought, look, there's a couple of experts that are talking about this. If you haven't seen him, Economic Ninja, that he's one of the smartest. It's amazing how he can I guess predicts the word, but he knows how to follow cycles. Okay, he knows all kinds of different markets. He's very good at foreseeing cycles. We're getting close to the bottom. There's going to be another tick down, some kind of move down, okay, in all the major cryptos. For example, XRP, we're thinking it's going to dip below $1 at some point. Bitcoin's going to drop below that 60K. Now, this is kind of ballsy saying this stuff. Look, this is not financial advice. These are just, like I said, I'm in a serious mood right now. Ethereum, I don't know where it's going to land below. I already picked up some more at a support level around 1600, which I thought was appropriate. But stock market is at the all-time high. Be careful, people. I think there's some opportunities coming that are going to be life-changing. Think about it. Cryptocurrency market is going to hit a bottom soon. Okay, I don't know when. It's not tomorrow. Not it's like within weeks to a month or two. Okay, what we're hearing is that it's going to do that thing to where in November, December, everybody's going to be smiling. So just as an investor, you don't win or make money until you sell. You got to be focused on your positions, on where you sit, and have an exit plan when the time comes. Okay? Now, stock market, all-time high. Be careful. What I'm focused on right now is that I'm getting very greedy and serious about my entry points on my covered call plays. Now, I had to create my own checklist so I can look at this thing and make sure, because I used to not get the best entries. I would just buy 100 shares and then just sell the call right away. I'm getting greedy. I'm following my checklist that I created and making sure, like I've got 3 or 4 of them. I'll just rattle them off: Netflix, Pfizer, okay, PFE that I'm looking at very closely. KHC is one that I actually did purchase yesterday, but I'm getting very serious about my entries on these cover call plays, and I have mostly cash. I'm 55% cash, might be down to 50 now because, like I said, I got in on another play. But um, be careful. It's stock market specifically. Look, if you want that checklist, by the way, I'll put it on the description here for free. It's hopsauce investing.com. Hopsauceinvesting.com is where you find that form for free. I'll put the link below here. Cash on the sideline is good right now, but I had a little bit too much cash on the sideline that I was kind of uncomfortable because my revenue with the wheel strategy and my cover call strategies, it's just sitting stagnant. So use that checklist so you don't get obliterated. Okay, so you're not buying the top. The PE ratios, the forward PE numbers are massive. The valuation, don't buy things that are expensive. AI stocks are all expensive. Not to say that they can't go up. They can still go up because there's so much momentum in that sector. It's just mind blowing with all the data centers and everything. I'm not, look, you to each their own. I'm trying to stay away from that hoopla. Okay, it's the hype that's inflating things. You look at those PE ratios; they're crazy. They're over the moon, man. It's too expensive for me. I'm looking for valued companies that can weather recession-proof type things that, uh, uh, for example, that are away from the technologies in that AI bubble, is what people are calling it. Look, a bubble can go up forever. You ever blow up a balloon, you think it's going to pop? You can put tons of more air in it. You keep blowing the thing, and it might even double from where you thought it was going to pop. So I'm just, to each their own. This is me personally. As you become better and better and you learn more and more as an investor, you just start to create your own little thumbprint that when it works, you stay with it. And that's where I'm at right now. But I did want to share that keep your eye on open, ladies and gentlemen, for the low, the bottoms in the cryptocurrency market across the board. Don't mess with the meme coins, people. I'm serious. Just stay with the top 10 on the list on CoinMarketCap .com. The top 10 market cap tokens, or stay with those. Those are the safer plays. Okay. Trust me, I know. I know what I'm talking about in this area right here. You can hit a meme coin and make a good percentage, but it's far and few between. It's hard. So playing it safe right now. Check out my free covered call checklist. I'm telling you, it's going to help you out. It just makes you get better entries, so it's a little safer trade. Is protection for the downside. That's the whole thing. Is de-risking and protection on the downside is the key to this equation. So you don't watch your account go down. You watch your portfolio stabilize and then tick up slowly is the name of the game. Thanks for checking in, everybody. If you would share this video, please. These are valuable things that I'm saying here because they've been working, and it's personal experience. So appreciate y'all. Those of you who are new subscribers, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. If you would give me that thumbs up, I'm just gonna try to keep this thing going and really do check that checklist, cover call checklist. All right, thanks for your time, everybody. Peace out. Peace out.